Good morning. I am Vaibhav Naik from Priyadarshini Bhagwati College of Engineering. Our project is design analysis of multi-operational agri-robot with renewable energy source. Let's come into introduction part. The main aim of agriculture robotic is to applying new technique in agriculture field to reduce extra effort of farmers. This project is to develop a robot capable of performing operations like automatic seeding, pesticide sprayer, fertilizer spreader, soil weeder, seed sowing, crop cutting. It also provides manual as well as auto control. Agriculture was always the key for development of human civilization, and by adding robotics in agriculture, the scope for agriculture robotics expand and to perform research in agriculture field. Coming to prepare an efficient and cost-effective system as costlier machinery is available in market, to implement in existing technology and to show the innovative idea on existing system, to make use of human power to reduce pollution, and as we said, to prepare efficient and cost effective system is our primary objective. These are some costly agriculture machineries which are not affordable by middle class or poor farmers, and basically traditional farmers to spread fertilizer manually. This is one of costlier machineries weeding operation by tractor. Component used in projects are, we use couple of DC motors for operations like DC gear motor with runner wheel, DC gear motor with seeding dropping cylinder, DC pump for pesticide sprayer, wheat farrows, fertilizer sprayer, solar panel and battery and chassis. This is quick overview of some component, like this is DC gear motor with runner wheel. This is DC gear motor with speed dropping cylinder, DC pump for pesticide sprayer, fertilizer spreader, and a delta blower fan is also called, which speed at 3200. Working of the system. Sowing is the most important process in farming. It is very tiring and time consuming process that takes a lot of human effort. Here we design a robot and fabricate full automatic seed sowing robot that runs off DC motor. The purpose of there are four motors for running it is in desired direction. We use horizontal cylinder for pouring seeds and a hopper attached to it. The robot consists of funnel-like arrangement, as I said, to pour seed into lower containers. The front of robot is fitted with bent plated, which actually drag the soil to make a slot, and in that slot we put our seeds. So this type of working, and the robot is generally working on solar energy. Let's come to methodology. Design the shape of model of project and design the load carrying capacity of seed, finding the requirements of equipment for measuring the different parameters, fabrications, and performing experimental setups. Advantages: easy operations and attachments, as we attach so many attachments are given there to cut plants, to sow, the fertilizer spreader, etc. Easy to install and use everywhere. It improves the environmental conditions. No electricity consumption as it runs on solar energy. Easy to operate. Robust and compact design. Low maintenance. Only maintenance is to maintain our battery. Simple in construction and simple farmer can use this. This is our multi-operational agribot. This is our funnel-like structure, and we use solar plates. That one is a horizontal cylinder. The DC motor connected with blades to cut plants, and at the front we use hopper where we provide seed. That's it. We take some of the references from this paper. Thank you, and most welcome for the questions.